Do you remember when we were kids?
Yes, you were mean to me.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. You used to take my toys.
I did? I'm sorry.
That's okay. You're a great brother now.
Do you remember our 10th birthday?
Yes, we got a puppy that year.
I miss that puppy.
Me too. He had a great name.
Actually, I don't remember his name.
How could you forget his name? His name was Buster.
Oh yeah, it was a sad day when Buster died.
I never wanted another dog after that.
How old was Buster when he died?
You don't remember anything. He was 14 years old.
How are the kids?
They're doing well.
How old are they now?
Mike is 18. He's in college. Janet is 16. She's in high school.
Wow, they're growing up.
I know. They're growing up too fast.
How are the kids doing?
They are so busy with sports.
What do they play?
Jenny plays softball and Luke plays baseball.
You must be busy with games.
There are games every weekend.
Isn't it fun to watch?
It is so much fun to watch and cheer the teams on.
I miss those days. My kids are all in college now.
Time is too short.